Our client out in Camarillo had a gorgeous home that she was in the process of updating. And also in the backyard, there was like a little guest house space. And that was previously where she had been storing a lot of her entertaining and holiday kind of gift wrap, like all of the things that would traditionally go in a garage was being kept in this guest house, and mostly because their garage spaces had absolutely zero shelving built in. So we came out and did a full consultation on both of the garage spaces. They had two separate two-car garages, and we came up with an amazing plan to update the flooring, make it feel really fresh and clean, and then do some custom built-in cabinets in both spaces. We really wanted to maximize as much closed door storage as we could so that we could get everything out of the cabana in the backyard and stored in a dust-free, really clean way in the garage spaces. So they had a company come and do all of the custom cabinetry. We also created a space for them to drop their shoes and things as they're walking into the house. And then we contained all of her amazing holiday decor and gift wrap solutions and party solutions. We created a zone for each of these areas in the separate garages, and also leaving space for like household backstock items, things that you don't really want to be taking up too much space in your kitchen or other places inside your house. But the end result is absolutely stunning. If a garage can be stunning, I think that this one is. And there's also a lot of room to grow, and it's very easy now for her to see everything that she has, and everything is contained. It's so simple. There's a lot of room to grow if she wants to buy more holiday decor. But also now they have full use of that cabana slash guest house in the backyard so that that's not just overrun with things that are being stored in that space. So we loved working on this project, and I think it turned out really beautiful.